Okay, guys, we have another installment of your Mad Metrology Minute. Joe Benuelo's PCR. You find that card. 281 209 9000. 281 209 9000. Or my cell phone, 832 423 8116. Any calibrations you need, if you're in the Houston area, we have free pickup, free delivery. This is going to cover gauges, calipers, mics, indicators, so many tools, and mainly in the dimensional world. OD mics. We also do on-sites on hardness testers, height gauges, mic tracks, so you don't have to send them out. Granite surface plates, and we do lapping. So anybody listening to this, we can save you some money. We have accredited certs if required, as long as it's under our scope. We sell new and pre-owned. We do a lot of repairs as work, so give us a call. All right, today we're talking about pre-owned. Depending on the time you watch this, I have various pre-owned tools for sale. You know how sometimes you need something, but maybe business is a little down, not in the budget, but you need some equipment. Just so happens I have a digital protractor here. It's not unusual that I have calipers. Here's 6-inch, round and sharp. I get 12-inch Michitoyo sometimes. Again, I can't guarantee when you reach out that I have these, but depending on the time, I may have them, may not. Depending, they sell hot. Here's something really hot. If you've been on the fence about doing your own Brinell testing, get off the fence. This is pre-owned, brand new stand. This thing is just beautiful. Ready to go, ready to do your testing. And I got a secret for you. If you like half price off a new, give me a contact. And I happen to have 3 right now. It's odd that I have that, but I have 3 as of this video. So anywhere you listen to this, if you can use a Brinell, King Brinell tester, Brinell testing, give me a contact. So other than that, guys, thanks again. Anything you're looking for in pre-owned world, I have a lot of OD mics too, anywhere from probably 6-inch to 36-inch. So just give me a contact. You can respond to this listing. You can call me. I'm going to have my email below. Just give me a contact and I'll let you know if we have it. So again, guys, thanks. And thanks again for all your support. We'll talk soon. Okay, guys.